Hey friends, if you wish to fix data error cyclic redundancy check on your system, then please watch this video. Now before I proceed further, let me set the expectations right. If you check through the Microsoft Answers forum, it says that this error indicates a drive failure, and if that drive was purchased recently, then try to get it replaced, and if it is under warranty, try to get it repaired or something, because these errors cannot be fixed. But still, I'll suggest two solutions. One is the check disk scan, and one is the SFC scan. So if you have an HDD drive, then here's what you can do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, and open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Okay, now my drive is an SSD drive, so it won't work, but if you have an HDD drive, the one with those disks, then it will work. The next solution is an SFC scan, and for an SFC scan, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan, and it will start scanning the system, and it may fix it if it has missing or corrupt files, but that's the maximum we can do about it. If it doesn't work, then you will have to get the drive replaced, and even if you have a laptop, you can at least get the hard drive replaced in this case. Will you lose data? Yes, you will lose data. There's nowhere to save the data if you cannot even boot into the system, and that is why I always suggest saving your data on the cloud. I always save my data on OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.